The medical model, seeing a patient in a room, even in a good setting, is not the one that's going to work for obesity, for weight loss. We think we've got this great scientific system, and we've watched our population get more and more and more and more obese, and we've spent thousands of dollars on diet programs and going into the doctor, and we're still getting more and more obese. Clearly, it should have whacked us in the head about 30 years ago, but what we're doing is not working. The medical model, seeing a patient in a room, even in a good setting, is not the one that's going to work for obesity, for weight loss. We have to figure out a new approach that's going to get people to engage in their own health every day. And that's the only solution to obesity or lack of exercise, or frankly, dealing with a frantic society, time-driven, time-pressured society, is to get people to say, okay, I am in charge of these things. You know, most of the decisions that people make about their health, most of the important decisions that people make about their health, aren't made in the doctor's office. So the grand poobah is not there giving instruction to the person when they're deciding what to choose for dinner.